It's a pleasure to be here as well. I kind of want to hit on a couple of different things around where Canada's going in this quest for AI. Really, Canada was among the pioneers within on 2017, that really launched the very first kind of pan-Canadian artificial intelligence strategy. So they're really ahead of the game when it came to thinking about AI, and they've really worked quite hard on partnerships between kind of different institutions across Canada and really driving research and collaboration across academia, industry, and government. And so this investment looks roughly $2.4 billion this year. We just announced our minister for AI within the federal government. And so, we're really where that takes us in Canada is really this, I would say, this view between kind of two poles, right? If you look at kind of the EU risk-based framework around AI policy, and you look at more of the entrepreneurial, capitalistic view of AI in the US, Canada is taking a very much a balanced position. So the idea is that they want to support both kind of safe and respectful and respectable AI usage with guardrails and thinking, but also trying to promote it kind of quite heavily. And so really, there's been a lot of work associated with this. Joint R&D projects, talent exchanges across government. A lot of AI data centers are being kind of stood up across Canada. Alberta recently launched a very large one, an initiative there publicly. They want to invest quite a few $1 billion in regards to building AI data centers and the power infrastructure required to bring the compute home. I think one other thing that's really interesting to think about is the amount of vacancy that exists within organizations around digital literacy and around AI and digital talent. And so they've made a commitment at the federal government to really fill up. We have roughly like a 30% vacancy rate within government around AI and AI usage. And so they're doing a lot of work around fast tracking, kind of smart leaders, smart people, entrepreneurship, both internally and externally within Canada. And really Canada's focusing on really being this, like, as I said, this regulatory bridge, right? Somebody that's has some guardrails, but still has an entrepreneurial spirit with a real big focus on kind of like diversity, inclusion, and ethical AI in many ways.